When you're installing EV chargers, the pedestal isn't just a mounting point. It affects how long you're on site. It affects safety around the charger, and it affects how well that install holds up months and years down the road. That's exactly what our retractable pedestal was designed around.
When we started working with installers, one thing kept coming up around cable management. We saw how spring-loaded retractable systems would work at first, but over time, the tension would fade or the mechanism would fail, leading to replacements no one really wanted to deal with. What that often turns into on site is sagging cables and trip hazards around the charger. On top of that, in real-world use, people don't always realize that after the cable locks out, they need to pull it again to release the mechanism and let it retract. What ends up happening is cables get left hanging or sitting on the ground. In busy, public-facing locations, that just doesn't look good. Dangling cables make a site feel messy and poorly maintained. It also increases the chances of cables getting run over or damaged and shortens their lifespan. After seeing that happen enough times, it became clear the issue wasn't installation quality, it was how these systems behave in everyday use. So instead of trying to improve the same approach, we decided to take a different one. Our pedestal uses a counterweight pulley system rather than springs. We chose a counterweight pulley system because of the way it balances the load, instead of constantly fighting against the tension like spring-based systems do. The cable moves smoothly, it stays controlled, and because the system isn't under constant stress, it lasts a lot longer. We also use stainless steel pulleys and hardware, which are designed to improve longevity and keep those parts moving smoothly years after the install.
From an installer's perspective, that shows up in a pretty practical way. The cable stays where it should. You're not dealing with sagging lines or safety issues around the charger, and you're not getting callbacks because something wore out early. It's one less problem coming back to you later.
And when it came to build quality, compatibility, and future-proofing, we were very intentional about the choices we made. One of the biggest issues we kept seeing with proprietary pedestals was that oftentimes when a charger changed, the entire pedestal had to be replaced. So we designed a universal, removable mounting plate that works with all Level 2 chargers. That way, when chargers change down the road, you're not tearing out the pedestal. You're just swapping the plate and making future changes easier to deal with. And finally, we chose to build our pedestals from aluminum for a simple reason. You're not dealing with rust or corrosion over time.
And when it comes to the install itself, time is money. That's why our pedestal comes almost fully assembled, which means you're not building it piece by piece in the field. That helps you move faster on site, keep projects on schedule, and get the charger up and running without delays. Some of our customers have reported time savings up to 70%. That's better for you, and it's better for your customer too.
And even after the install's done, you're not left trying to track someone down when you need support. If something comes up with the pedestal, you can reach us directly and actually talk to the person who designed it, me. Because we're based here in Canada, support stays straightforward and problems get dealt with quickly.
If you're looking for a retractable pedestal that's designed for real installs and built to hold up over time, reach out through the contact form on our website. We'll walk through your project and see if our retractable pedestal is the right fit for you.